Have you ever tried reaching out to Airwallex customer service and felt like you were navigating a labyrinth? It can be frustrating, right? I've been there. But fear not, because today, we're going to cut through the maze and show you exactly how to get in touch with Airwallex's support team. Imagine this, you're about to make a big payment, and suddenly, something goes wrong. Your heart starts pounding as you frantically search for a way to get help. You need answers, you need solutions, and you need them fast. So, let's dive into the world of Airwallex customer service and find out how to get the assistance you deserve. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why it might be important to contact Airwallex customer service. Maybe you're having trouble with a transaction, you need help setting up your account, or you have a question about their fees. Whatever the reason, knowing how to reach out can be a lifesaver. 1. Online support. The first and often most convenient way to contact Airwallex is through their online support channels. Here's how to do it. Visit the Airwallex website, head over to their official website and look for a Contact Us or Help section. Use the live chat. Many websites offer live chat support, and Airwallex might be one of them. This is a great option for quick questions or immediate assistance. Submit a support ticket. If you prefer a more formal approach, you can usually submit a support ticket online. Fill out the required information, describe your issue, and attach any relevant documents. 2. Email support. If you prefer to communicate via email, Airwallex likely has an email address for customer support. You can find this information on their website or in your account settings. When you email them, be sure to include your account details and a clear explanation of your problem. 3. Phone support. Sometimes, nothing beats a good old-fashioned phone call. Airwallex might provide a phone number for customer support. You can find this information on their website or in your account documentation. Be prepared to provide your account details and answer any questions the representative might have. Tips for effective communication. Be clear and concise. When you contact Airwallex, make sure to explain your issue clearly and concisely. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that the support representative might not understand. Provide necessary information. Be ready to provide any relevant information, such as your account number, transaction ID, or error messages. This will help the support representative assist you more effectively. Be patient. Customer support representatives can get busy, so be patient and polite. They're there to help you, and a little patience can go a long way. There you have it. These are the main methods you can use to contact Airwallex customer service. Remember, effective communication is key to getting the help you need. By following these tips and utilizing the available channels, you can resolve your issues and have a positive experience with Airwallex. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy transacting.